Hi guys, thank you for watching. If you're new here, my name is Dr. Clarissa Shah, and this is my women's lifestyle channel. Today we're going to be making over a corner of my home. We're gonna revamp the space. For this project, I'm working with the brand Casagear. They are a local furniture company of mine, and they are offering you guys a 15% discount at checkout. So if you enjoy the products I show in this video, or really anything else on their website, you have 15% off to take advantage of. Come with me, and I'm gonna take you through the steps of transforming this space. So first I went onto Casagear's website, and as you can see, they have all different types of furniture. And I typed in for a wooden console. I wanted to match that wooden theme throughout my house, and they had a lot of variety, a lot of options to choose from. I actually fell in love with this one first, but it just wasn't the dimensions that I needed for my space. But I'm definitely adding this to my house inspiration album for my future home. The next one I found and loved was this Kerry mango wood console table, and this is the one I decided to use for the transformation. Today we are going to be styling a corner of my home. It is currently a super big mess. It has all of the stuff that I'm going to be donating just in that area. I found this perfect console table that I want to put in this corner of my home to dress it up. So I'm going to show you the before, what it looks like. We're going to be unboxing this package and building the furniture, and then we're going to be accessorizing that corner to make it look super chic and super expensive, but on a budget. So let me show you what this corner of my home looks like right now. We're currently in my open floor plan, living room, dining room, and kitchen, and this is a little corner that is right next to our sliding glass door. This is my pantry. This is the corner right in front of the sliding glass door. There is my patio. The patio umbrella right now is covered up. That's what that black thing is because it's white, so I don't want it to get dirty. When I'm not using it, I do cover it up. I get rid of all these boxes here. It's literally just like a blank open wall. And my vision is to have the table here and then some type of artwork or mirror, and I can have some of my candles up here floating around. I haven't decided if I'm going to put anything on the bottom for some type of added storage, but that's my vision so far for dressing up this little corner because it just looks so sad and plain. And as I've mentioned before, we are living in a rental home, so I can't paint the walls or anything like that. Everything is super white, which I actually prefer versus another color, but it makes me want to dress up the space, you know, so it doesn't look too stark and empty. One thing I wanted to mention quickly is I chose this console table because I felt that it went with the overall theme and aesthetic of my home and my furniture. I have a lot of neutrals in this home. Specifically, my dining room set and my kitchen bar stools kind of follow the same color scheme. So I'm just going to share what they look like really quickly. This is my dining room set right now. This we purchased off of Craigslist. It's a real wood table. An elderly couple was retiring. They didn't have room for it. So it was honestly such a great find. But that's kind of why this fabric is a little outdated. I just haven't gotten around to investing into reupholstering yet, but that is the plan. So the table itself is different shades of brown, and the chairs are also like a light oak color with a brown upholstery right here. It's the same with my bar stools here. It's kind of like that lighter beige color right here. So the console table that I chose is a mix of white and the wood tone. All right, so I've gone ahead and grabbed my X-Acto knife. I'm gonna be opening this box. Oh my gosh, she's beautiful. Look at that wood. Okay, so it comes with a little assembly box with some instructions and the hardware that is gonna be needed to assemble the cabinet. Ooh, it was buried deep in there. I see so many independent people, builders online. They make it look so easy, and I don't know how they do it. I'm tired already. But I'm still going to try by myself because hubby's not home yet. The neighbor's dogs are like going crazy outside. This actually looks pretty simple to do. It does say 2-person assembly required, but literally this is the layout of the table. It's just 3 pieces and it comes with bolts. So I'm just gonna try to lay it on the floor and prop up this piece and then pop these little guys in and see what happens. Okay, seems simple enough. Not gonna lie, if I can build this on my own, my confidence is gonna be restored because I used to consider myself like a handyman. I drilled all my own holes to put like the knobs in my bathroom in my parents' house back in the day. And then I just started trying to do shit on my own and I realized I was Mickey Mousing it. And Raj is like super strict on following everything like to a T. He's not one of those men that don't follow instructions or directions. So now I'm kind of, I don't know, I feel like I've become so dependent. But this is really easy. I put on utility gloves because these parts always come kind of oiled up. You really don't even need a toolbox. It comes with the instrument and it comes with all the screws and the washers. So it's super simple and foolproof. Let's see if I don't mess this up. Yay, I did it! So as you can see, there's the table built behind me. She is a beauty. And now I'm just gonna wait for my husband to come home so we can move it into place. And what I really appreciated was that it came with this bubble wrap because I was able to assemble it straight out of the box instead of having to move it to the carpet. So that was a really nice touch. The table is in its place, and here I am just seeing how these picture frames look in the space. These picture frames are a whitewashed wood tone, and they have our engagement photos in them. We're sticking them to the wall with command hooks that are specifically made for hanging picture frames. It's a really great renter-friendly hack. And of course, getting everything aligned perfectly is super technique sensitive, so Babe is helping me out here. See, what did I tell you guys? He is so precise with all of his measurements. Okay guys, so it is day number 3, and now it's finally ready for reveal right behind me. This is how the corner transformation turned out. So as far as the decor pieces go, I wanted to keep everything in that same neutral color scheme that I have throughout my dining room and my living room, and also play off the wood notes that come with the console table. For the top of the console table, I tried to keep it very minimal. I have these 2 rustic vases and this wooden bowl. And then to spice up the wall behind it, I did a mini gallery wall. The picture frames are a whitewashed oak, so it kind of matches the wooden color scheme. And then the photos from my engagement shoot all just happened to be in a neutral color scheme, so they matched perfectly. Other ideas I had for the wall included either a large round mirror or a big canvas print with a gold light shining down upon it, but this was what I had in mind for right now. In the future, I could change it up and mix and match it. Overall, I'm so happy with this corner transformation. This one piece really elevated this one space. Where before, it was empty, it was useless, it was just a blank wall, and now it really ties in with the decor and color scheme of my whole home. I still can't believe that this console table was only $200. It looks so much more expensive. It's got the white top, the wooden legs. Honestly, the wooden legs always just remind me of luxury. It delivered in one piece and it was so easy to assemble. If you guys saw, I honestly did it myself, so it's really easy. And now I have an extra space in my kitchen. I plan on using this area when I have parties and guests come over. I can line up the bottles of wine or the appetizers and keep the kitchen clutter-free, because as it is when you're cooking in the kitchen, you run out of counter space really quickly. So I thought this would be a great place to stage. I could also have a little candle here. You know, you can really get creative with a piece like this. As I mentioned at the beginning of this video, I am working with Casagear, and they are offering you guys a 15% discount at checkout on any item from their website. So you can literally get this console table for $175, which is a steal. Literally, there's shoes that are more expensive than that. I'll have the link in the video. I'll have the link in the description box. So be sure to check that out and take advantage of that. I know we all love a discount. Well, thank you guys for watching, and I hope that you enjoyed this corner transformation. Leave me a comment below. Let me know what you guys think, and let me know what other styles of videos you would like to see. I'm all ears. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you guys next week.